Have you ever walked through a hotel lobby at night and seen one of those vending machines just quietly glowing in the corner? You probably didn't think much of it. But here's the kicker. That vending machine could be making someone up to $200 a day while they're asleep. Yep, you heard that right. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly how people are making up to $200 a day just by placing vending machines in hotels. Spoiler alert, it's a lot less complicated than you think. And no, you don't need to be some vending machine mogul or have a secret snack plug. So let's get into it. Here's the deal. Hotels love vending machines. They're a win-win. They don't take up much space. Guests get snacks and essentials at any hour. The hotel staffs don't have to do a thing. And vending machine operators? They cash in. Here's the secret, though. Most hotel vending machines aren't owned by the hotel itself. They're owned by everyday people, small business owners, side hustlers, folks like you and me who placed a machine, set it, stocked it, and now watch passive income roll in every month. Now I know what you're thinking. How do I even start? Don't worry, I'll walk you through everything. Let's talk numbers, because I know that's what you're here for. On average, a single hotel vending machine can bring in $50 to $200 per day, depending on foot traffic, how busy the hotel is, what you're selling, snacks, essentials, phone chargers, and pricing. Now multiply that by 30 days, and you're looking at $1,500 to $6,000 a month from one machine. That's more than some 9-to-5s, and it doesn't complain. It doesn't show up late, doesn't call in sick, and never needs coffee breaks. It just quietly does its job while you do you. Here's the real tea. Starting isn't super expensive. So, how much does it take to get started? You could buy a refurbished machine for $1,000 to $3,500, or lease one with a low upfront cost. Inventory? Probably $300 to $500 to start. Card reader? That's around $300, and trust me, most people don't carry cash anymore. So it's a must. And that's it. You don't need a storefront. No rent. No staff. Just snacks, strategy, and a solid plan. Now here's the part where most people get stuck. Finding a hotel willing to host your machine. This is where the magic happens. You got to pitch the value. Here's a basic script. Hi, I'm a local vendor, and I'd love to offer your guests a convenient 24/7 snack and essentials vending service. I handle everything. Maintenance, restocking, customer service, and I'll even give the hotel a small monthly cut or commission. Boom. Hotel gets convenience and free money, and you get the spot. Start with independently owned hotels, motels and budget chains, boutique or family-run properties. Pro tip, be polite, persistent, and professional. Wear a polo shirt. People love a good polo. You want your machine to solve late-night problems. Snacks are great, sure, but think smarter. Late-night essentials, toothpaste, mini deodorants, phone chargers. Hangover kits, if it's near a party district, trust me. Painkillers, travel-sized meds. The more urgency behind the item, the more people are willing to pay. I mean, if someone needs it at 2 a.m., they'll pay a premium. That $10 mini charger, it probably cost you $1.50. That's pure vending magic. So how often do you need to check the machine? Maintenance is pretty chill. About once or twice a week. Restock, clean, cash out. That's it. If you have a smart machine, you can even monitor sales from your phone. Mobile phone. Once you get one machine running smooth, you can scale. Add another hotel. Try apartment buildings or gyms. Build your vending empire. And the best part? You're building an asset that earns whether you're at work, on vacation, or just vibing at home. So next time you see a vending machine in a hotel lobby, just remember, it's probably making someone $200 a day while they're dreaming about their next vacation. Why not make that someone you? If this sounds like your kind of hustle, hit that like button, subscribe for more low-key income ideas, and drop a comment telling me where you would put your first vending machine. This is Quiet Hustle, where the smartest money moves are the ones nobody sees coming.